guys, what's up? And today, I don't know why I was holding a Rubik's Cube. Well, I know why, because that's the main video about. And, today, my client won't stop talking. I'll be giving away, it's not really a speed cube, it's just like a beginner's cube. And all you have to do is like this video. That's the only thing you have to do. And then I will DM you some way. I will pick one of the random people who likes this video and DM them, and then we'll talk about it and I'll ship it out to you as soon as possible. And it's a Rubik's brand Rubik's Cube. It's not the best, but it's reliable. But like I said, it's not the best, but it's reliable. It's just not speed. It's not good for speed cubing. It's just good for and after you play with it for a while, you can lubricate it and do some stuff with it. Fire the wee bee gun. And yeah, that's the video for today, and I'll see you all later. Bye.